BMW fault code P03002 indicates a misfire in cylinder 2, which can cause rough idling, power loss, and poor fuel efficiency. This issue is often caused by faulty spark plugs, ignition coils, clogged fuel injectors, or vacuum leaks. If left untreated, misfires can damage the catalytic converter and lead to costly engine repairs. To diagnose P03002, start with an OBD-II scanner to confirm the fault. Inspect the spark plugs and ignition coils for wear or damage. Swap the ignition coil with another cylinder. If the misfire moves, the coil is faulty. Also, check fuel injectors for clogs and ensure the fuel pump is providing adequate pressure. Vacuum leaks in the intake manifold or hoses can also disrupt combustion. Fixing P03002 depends on the root cause. Common repairs include replacing old spark plugs and ignition coils, cleaning or replacing fuel injectors, fixing vacuum leaks, and checking fuel pressure. If these solutions don't work, a compression test may be needed to check for internal engine issues like damaged valves or piston rings. Preventing misfires is crucial for your BMW's performance. Regularly replace spark plugs, use high-quality fuel, and inspect ignition components. Keeping up with routine maintenance will help avoid costly repairs and keep your engine running smoothly.